In a diesel vehicle, the injection pump is cooled by the diesel fuel that is returned to the tank. This one is warming up. With cooling, there is condensation, like for example on your bathroom mirror. And that is how the vehicle manufactures its own water. Water is the vital source of oxygen for bacteria that materialize in the form of mud. That is why you need to regularly change your diesel filters. The C99 Diesel contains an antibacterial called bacteriostasis, which prevents the creation of bacteria, algae, and particles. Furthermore, here is a diesel filter that has traveled a distance of 30,000 kilometers with standard diesel fuel. And this one, covering the same distance, with C99 diesel fuel used at each refueling. By using our product, your vehicle is able to consume fuel that is completely clean, resulting in perfect combustion. Additionally, with regular usage of C99 diesel, you experience advantages such as fuel savings, prevention of clogging in EGR valves, and particulate filters.